Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do a kind of a, I guess you could say, a Hobby Lobby with a touch of Amazon DIY. I know you guys have seen these on the YT before, but I've never seen one used with the type of embellishments I'm going to use. So let's just get right into what we're going to do and the supplies that you need for this DIY. We are going to make a Glam vanity tray, and you can also use it as a cake tray. All you have to do is add the cake dolly on it before you put the cake on it. So I can see this as a wedding layered. If you just want to put your main layer up here, that's the layer that you're going to keep for the year. I can see that being set up here. So for this DIY, you're going to need a tempered glass Lazy Susan, and I got this from Amazon. I ordered it offline. If I can find the link, I will leave it below. You're going to need a 12-inch octagon mirror or a mirror of your choice. And this mirror can be found in the candle holding section. Hobby Lobby classifies this as a candle holder and not a mirror. So you're also going to need some pearl embellishments of your choice. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I think they were 60 to 65% off. And I have two different styles. I have these round ones, and then I have the high-low ones, as I call it. It has the small ones, some crystals, and some large gems. And as you can see, I have two different colors, like a pinkish color and then a white color. But you really can't tell. So let's begin. So first, I'm going to start off by taking my E6000, my hot glue gun, and my tempered glass Lazy Susan. And I'm going to take the Lazy Susan and place it upside down onto the mirror in between the little black tabs. And those black tabs are going to help me to center it, the Lazy Susan on the mirror. I'm going to take a black marker, and I am going to outline the Lazy Susan onto the mirror. So when I pick the Lazy Susan up to put my glue down, I will be able to tell where I need to put the mirror back at. And I'm just going to remove the labeling for the mirror and just place my hot glue down. I mean my E6000 and my hot glue, making sure that I get the edge of where the Lazy Susan going to go, so close to that black marking as possible. And then I'm just going to make sure I have a generous amount in the center. And once I do that, I'm going to go back in with my hot glue gun for immediate hold. And I'm going to show you that, you know, even with the line on it, it was kind of hard to center it, but I got it, and all is well. So once I finish that, I'm going to place something heavy on it for about an hour or so, just to give it time, the E6000 time to dry some. But you really need to leave it overnight for 24 hours. And then I'm going to show you that it's a nice hold on it. I'm just picking it up with the spin part. And so now we're going to clean the outside of the mirror. Don't worry about the inside of the mirror right now, but right where you're going to put the pearls at, which is around the edge, the bevel edge part, make sure that it is clean. So I'm going to open my first pack of beads, and I'm going to start off with the all medium sized beads with crystals on it in between them. And I'm just going to find my placement. I'm going to go in with the E6000 and the hot glue gun. Now don't do like I did right here. I just put a straight line of E6000 and then tried to put a straight line of hot glue for it to stick, and I ran into problems. So you're going to see me affix them, and then I realized when I got off camera I had to wipe it off, wipe the glues off, and I just used some Windex to do that. And I went back in, and I am going to do it the way that you're going to see me do the rest of them, and that is put dabs of hot E6000 in places, and then go in between the E6000 with the hot glue and place that down up there, and then it gives me a better hold. And as you can see, I've started putting the high-low pearls on it, as I call them, and I'm just going in just like I did before and alternate between the hot glue and the E6000. Now be mindful that some of the gems do not touch the glass, so just be mindful when you're putting down your E6000 or your hot glue, so that you don't have the glue showing on areas that do not touch the mirror. So when I get to the end of the set of pearls, I generally cut off that end piece of plastic that's holding or wiring, or you know, I call it a fishing line, and then I take the beginning of the other one and cut it off, and then I stick it together. I'm going to show you a close-up view of how I do that in just a moment. But once again, I'm just going to go around using the E6000 and the hot glue gun to affix the pearls to the mirror. You want to make sure that you get a pearl or a crystal or something right in at the point of each of the areas on the octagon shape. And here's what I'm showing you how to do the attachment of two ends, making sure that you clean up any excess glue as you go along. And like I said, as long as I clean it up before it dries, I can use the Windex. And once again, I'm showing you, this is where I'm showing you how to put the glue down, the hot glue, then the E6000, and it also shows you where part of it is not touching the mirror, so I'm not putting any hot glue or E6000 in those areas. And just cleaning up as you go, because it makes it easier in the end. So now we're getting to the last strand of pearls, and I love the way the high-low goes with the pearls that I'm putting down right now. So you're going to see me at the end, I have more of the high-low pearls left, and I want more of that than the medium-sized pearls that I put down in the beginning. So you're going to see me go in with some scissors, and I'm going to remove part of that first strand of pearls so that I can get all of the high-low pearls in. And see right here, I have some excess, so I'm just measuring to see how much I need to cut off, and I am pulling the beads off, and then I'm going to make sure that I put some more hot glue in that area and E6000, so that over a course of time the pearls won't lift and fall off of that area. And then we'll have our beautiful cake slash vanity tray. Now I'm going to show you some examples of it as a vanity tray, But however, I can't show you a cake sample because I don't have a cake. But you can imagine just by with that black mirror right there on it, what it would look like with a cake sitting on top of it, but only higher. I really enjoyed this project. It was fairly simple and easy to make once I figured out how to attach the pearls on it. And I'm also going to go back in at every point, so 8 points, and I'm going to affix a medium-sized crystal in that area. And these crystals actually came from the Dollar Tree, so they're the plastic crystals, not real crystals. But you could put real crystals on it to give it a more high-end blingy look, because the real ones would show off more of a shine than those right there, as you can see. So I'm just going to lift the crystal up and place some hot glue on the back of it, and then just place it down. And you're going to see me do that with all 8 crystals. So guys, again, I just want to welcome all our new YT family members and thank my ride or dies for being with me. As I said, our channel is growing, and I'm loving that we have so many people that want to join our YT family, and that so many people like the products that I am putting out. And more to come. I am recording another video right after I finish this voiceover, and so I'm going to reveal to you the final look of our cake plate / vanity tray. Just going to show you a round view close up, and then we're going to go to our actual look of it. I love the way, you know, you can have a picture, you can have your favorite perfume and lotion, a hand mirror, your favorite Bath and Body Works candle, and I just added some more big diamonds on it. So don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, guys, I love you so very much. I appreciate you more than you ever know. And here I'm just giving you a little roundabout view. But until next time, guys, I love you.